Hello, my name is Nicolas Mateo Monsalveses, and this is my activity 3 for English 3. The woman has been playing video games on the computer in her room. She has been dressed in a jacket and a sweat shirt. The woman has not been eating. The man has been drinking beer in a bar. He has been dressed in a red long sleeve shirt. The man has not been exercising. The girl has been painting at home. She has been wearing a red shirt with pants. She hasn't been talking. The man has been exercising and stretching on the court. He has been dressed in a sportswear. The man has not been watching TV. Dua Lipa has been singing on stage. Dua Lipa has been wearing a pink dress. Dua Lipa hasn't been eating. 18. The boy has been listening to music and do homework, doing homework on the grass in the park. He has been wearing dark pants and a light shirt. The boy hasn't been eating. The woman has been sleeping in her bed. She has been dressed in her pajamas. The woman hasn't been walking. The man has been watching TV in the living room. He has been dressed in a pants and a polo shirt. The man has not been eating popcorn. The woman has been reading on the sofa in the living room of her house. She has been dressed in a sweatshirt and the shirt. The woman hasn't been listening to music. The man has been cooking in the kitchen of his house. He has been dressed in a shirt on a roof. The man hasn't been watching TV. Thank you.